Yeah, hello YouTubers, it's me again, and today I'm showing you what I got for my birthday earlier this year. My sister got it me for my birthday. It's an Angry Bird speaker dock, and as you can see, right, it looks like the red Angry Bird from the game Angry Birds, and this is my iPod which is connected to it. So round the back of the Angry Bird speaker, you've got bass control. Sorry, that's the volume, that's the bass control, and that's the on off button. The green light tells you if it's on or off. And this is just a stand, it's just a holder for your iPod, but you can use it with any MP3 player that you like, because it just uses a connection to the headphone and the input on the Angry Bird. But anyway, I'll give you a demonstration of its sound quality, and this is my iPod here. I'll just pick a song off the playlist. This is my girlfriend's favourite song, so I'll play this one. It's just starting up. I'm very impressed with the sound quality. It's got lots of bass, and the sound is very clear. The only thing is though, right, it actually looks like the bird is singing when you're playing music. But I'm really happy with it though. So it's really good. I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching.